Good morning, Mary. Do you have a minute?
Of course, John. What's wrong?
My daughter has a fever. It started last night. I'm really worried.
I understand. How high is the fever?
It's 38.5 degrees. She also has a cough.
Is she drinking water?
Yes, but not much. She doesn't want to eat anything.
That's normal with fever. Did you give her medicine?
Yes, I gave her paracetamol 2 hours ago.
Good. The fever should go down soon. Is she playing?
A little. She's watching TV now.
That's a good sign. But if the fever stays for 3 days, call me.
Should I bring her to the clinic today?
Not yet. Rest is important. Keep her at home. Give her water and light food.
What if the fever goes up?
If it goes above 39 degrees, bring her immediately. Also, watch for breathing problems.
Okay. Thank you, Mary. I feel better now.
You're welcome. Call me if you need anything. She'll be fine.
I will. Thanks again.